Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're trying to connect your Nest thermostat to Apple HomeKit, you might have noticed that it's not as straightforward as connecting other smart devices. That's because Nest devices are part of the Google ecosystem, and they don't directly integrate with Apple HomeKit by default. This can make the process feel confusing, especially if you want to control your thermostat using the Apple Home app or Siri. However, it is still possible to connect them by using a compatible bridge or setup method that links both systems together. Once properly configured, you'll be able to control your Nest thermostat seamlessly within your Apple Smart Home setup. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your Nest thermostat to Apple HomeKit. Try these. Step 1. Set up your Nest thermostat using the Google Home app. Step 2. Install and set up a HomeKit compatible bridge on your device. Step 3. Link your Nest account to the bridge service. Step 4. Add the bridge to the Apple Home app. Step 5. Configure the thermostat settings within HomeKit. Step 6. Test control using the Apple Home app or Siri.